Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm breaking down my July 2026 dividend income update as my portfolio officially crossed the $3,000 milestone. Right now, the total portfolio value is sitting at $3,015.54. Throughout July, I received dividend payouts from 9 different positions. Here is the exact breakdown. Starting with the largest payouts, QYLD paid €1.55 and Main Street Capital brought in $1.1 for dollars. Next, VHYL paid £0.81, while DGRW generated 30 cents. Realty Income paid $0.28, followed by Intuit at $0.1 for dollars. Oracle brought in $0.13, Danaher paid $0.07, and Thermo Fisher rounded it out with 6 cents. In total, July brought in around $5 in passive income. This pushes my projected annual dividends up to $84.92, which averages to about $7.08 per month. My next milestone target is reaching $10 a month in dividends. And as you can see, I am officially 71% of the way there, with just $2.92 left to go. To log every payout and stay organized, I use Harvestr, my custom dark mode dividend tracker. It visualizes income goals, DRIP, and position statistics in real time. If you want to track your portfolio with Harvestr, check out the direct link in the description and pinned comment below. Thanks for watching, and let me know in the comments how your dividend income was for July.